Hello, and welcome back to CHAT ETF, your go-to channel for in-depth insights and analysis on the ever-evolving world of exchange-traded funds. I'm thrilled to have you with us today as we delve into a topic that's been making waves in the financial landscape. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest updates. Now, let's get started. In a significant development for the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin spot exchange-traded funds (ETFs) in the United States are poised for potential simultaneous approvals in January. Analysts attribute this newfound optimism to an advanced decision that has delayed the bids of Franklin Templeton and Hashdex ETFs. This delay, rather than being a setback, is seen as providing a clear runway for broader approval processes, marking a crucial moment for the integration of Bitcoin into traditional financial markets. Background: exchange-traded funds (ETFs) have long been seen as a bridge between traditional finance and the emerging world of cryptocurrencies. These funds allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly owning the digital asset. In the United States, the approval of Bitcoin ETFs has been a subject of much anticipation and speculation, with regulatory hurdles and concerns about market manipulation playing a significant role in delaying the green light. The delay of Franklin Templeton and Hashdex ETFs. The recent decision to delay the approval of ETFs from Franklin Templeton and Hashdex has sparked a wave of speculation among analysts. Rather than signaling a negative trend, experts believe that this delay is a strategic move that could facilitate a smoother approval process for a broader range of Bitcoin ETFs. Analysts take on the clear runway. The analyst's perspective on the clear runway for Bitcoin ETF approvals is a crucial aspect that sheds light on the potential ramifications of the delayed decisions on Franklin Templeton and Hashdex ETFs. The consensus among industry experts underscores a positive interpretation of the delay, emphasizing the careful and deliberate approach adopted by regulatory authorities. The delay in the approval process is seen as an indication that regulatory bodies are taking a proactive stance to address pertinent concerns within the cryptocurrency market. Analysts highlight three primary areas of focus: market manipulation, investor protection, and overall market stability. By exercising caution and extending the time for evaluation, regulatory authorities aim to create a robust framework that mitigates potential risks associated with these aspects. The analogy of a clear runway employed by analysts encapsulates the idea that the delay has served to eliminate possible obstacles or conflicting signals within the regulatory landscape. This can be interpreted as a strategic move to streamline the approval process for multiple Bitcoin ETFs. By addressing concerns comprehensively, regulators pave the way for a more synchronized and efficient evaluation of subsequent applications. The ripple effect of the delayed decisions from Franklin Templeton and Hashdex is noteworthy. The groundwork laid during this extended evaluation period establishes a clearer regulatory path for other ETF applications. This newfound clarity is anticipated to benefit subsequent proposals seeking approval, as the regulatory framework established through the delayed cases can serve as a template for evaluating and addressing concerns in a standardized manner. In essence, the analysts' take on the clear runway signifies a positive shift in the regulatory approach toward Bitcoin ETFs. Rather than viewing the delay as a hindrance, it is perceived as a proactive measure to fortify the market against potential risks. This approach not only instills confidence in investors but also sets a precedent for a more systematic and transparent evaluation process for future cryptocurrency-related financial products. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve and integrate with traditional finance, the careful regulatory approach evident in the delay of Franklin Templeton and Hashdex ETFs reflects a commitment to fostering a secure and stable environment for investors. The ongoing dialogue between regulatory authorities and the cryptocurrency industry is expected to shape the future landscape, potentially unlocking new opportunities for broader market participation and acceptance. Market impact and investor sentiment. The anticipation of multiple Bitcoin ETF approvals in the foreseeable future has generated a tangible influence on investor sentiment, creating ripples across both the cryptocurrency community and traditional investment circles. The significance of these potential approvals is underscored by the heightened scrutiny and attention from investors who recognize the transformative impact it may have on the crypto market. This heightened interest is not confined to the cryptocurrency community alone. Traditional investors are also closely monitoring these developments. The allure of Bitcoin ETFs lies in their potential to facilitate increased institutional participation in the cryptocurrency market. Institutional investors, who have historically been cautious about entering the crypto space due to regulatory uncertainties and custody concerns, are eyeing these developments as a potential entry point into the market. The approval of Bitcoin ETFs holds the promise of attracting a new wave of institutional investors, thereby expanding the investor base in the cryptocurrency space. The hesitancy of institutional investors, often driven by concerns about the lack of regulatory oversight and secure custody solutions, could be mitigated by the introduction of ETFs. These investment products offer a regulated and familiar entry point, aligning with the risk management and compliance requirements of institutional investors. The legitimization of Bitcoin through the introduction of regulated investment products, like ETFs, carries broader implications for the cryptocurrency's adoption. Beyond attracting institutional investors, it contributes to the overall mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate and viable asset class. The regulatory oversight inherent in ETFs provides a level of assurance and governance that appeals to a more conservative investor base, potentially bridging the gap between traditional finance and the world of cryptocurrencies. The approval of Bitcoin ETFs not only marks a pivotal moment for institutional investors, but also signifies a step towards the normalization of cryptocurrency within the broader financial landscape. As these investment products gain regulatory approval, they stand to become more integrated into traditional investment portfolios, fostering a greater acceptance of digital assets. Conclusion. The delay in the approval of Franklin Templeton and Hashdex Bitcoin ETFs has given rise to a positive outlook among analysts. The notion of a clear runway for Bitcoin ETF approvals in January suggests that regulatory authorities are taking a thoughtful and comprehensive approach to ensure the integrity and stability of the market. As the cryptocurrency landscape continues to evolve, the potential approval of these ETFs could mark a crucial step in the broader acceptance and integration of Bitcoin into traditional financial systems. Investors and market participants will be closely watching for further developments in the coming weeks as the crypto industry navigates this pivotal moment. And there you have it, folks. Another deep dive into the world of ETFs here on CHAT ETF. If you enjoyed this video and found the information valuable, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Remember, the journey into the world of ETFs is always evolving, so stay informed and stay ahead. Thanks for joining us today at CHAT ETF, your hub for all things ETF. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, happy investing.